Hello everyone, I'm Zhenghuai Liu. In this video, I will show a very quick demo on the Twitter auto reply robot that I made using the Twitter API with Python. So assume one day you are very busy and you cannot reply to any of the personal Twitter message in time. And one of your friend, for example me, wants to reach you on Twitter, and he may trying to reach you like this. By add you, edit, assume this guy is you, okay? May say, hey dude, tweet. Then he may follow up to you that, do you have time? Question mark, tweet. Unluckily, your friend will never get a message response at this time because you are very busy, right? So if you are able to turn on the auto reply robot at this time, then things will start to change. So if you activate your robot using Python, and in my computer, I just type the Python my Twitter bot.py under the program directory, and then after running it, I can activate my Twitter robot. So in this case, my Twitter robot is able to respond to certain kind of messages based on the way that you told them to do. So in my case, I tell my robot that if I see any of the personal question messages, then I will respond saying that, sorry, I'm very busy right now, and I will get back to you soon. So in this case, after you turn on the robot and your friend continue to ask you that, can you do me a favor? Question mark. Then your friend will immediately get a response saying that, sorry, I'm very busy and I will get back to you soon. So here is a very useful case, especially when you are very busy and you cannot respond to any of the questions in time. Okay, that's pretty much an overview of how my Twitter bot works. So for more detailed information, you can get to my personal GitHub page here, and where you can also find the instructions about how to implement the robot on your own computer. Okay, that's pretty much it. I hope you like it, and thank you for watching.